Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by enabling picture-in-picture for the app you plan to use. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Special Access and tap Picture-in-Picture. Turn the toggle on for the app. Once done, open the app and play a video or join the call that triggers Pi-P. You're doing this because Android restricts Pi-P per app. Enabling it lets the system float the video. Now keep the app open and get ready to invoke Pi-P with the next action. Now, trigger Pi-P by pressing the Home button or using the Home gesture. The video should shrink into a movable window. You can drag it to any corner, and, on some devices, pinch to resize. This helps keep key content visible while you multitask. Tap the Pi-P window to reveal controls like play/pause, a back-to-app icon, and close. Make sure to use the app icon to jump back if you need full interface controls. To finish, either tap the Pi-P close button or use the app icon to return to full screen. That ends the floating session. If Pi-P doesn't start, verify the app's Pi-P permission in Settings and restart the app. Many problems clear with a simple relaunch. Also check battery saver, digital well-being, or device-specific power settings that can block background overlays. If the window is stuck, force stop the app and reopen it. That usually restores normal Pi-P behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.